This is my Bell 206 550 scale helicopter by Funkey. This is another very beautiful scale helicopter. It's primarily a Funkey fuselage. I got it from Tech RC out of Taiwan. The detail is very beautiful. The mechanics in here, I have a clone T-Rex 550 in here. It's a torque tube helicopter. It's running on 6S. Here's a view of what I have in here. I could use 2 batteries, but I've put some weights in here. You can use more batteries. I have the usual, I have 20 amp BEC. The electronics on this are all clones. This is the GART 1200 kV as well. This is a 150 ESC. I have a RotorStar. RotorStar. These used to be sold by Hobby King. Servos for the cyclics, and I have a Servos tail servo. Again, this is a flybarless system. It has a BeastX unit in there, just like my other standards. And beautiful. I'm gonna fly her, and you'll see how it looks and how she performs. I put a 5000 6S in here, and in this helicopter I do have lighting system. I have a lighting module here that serves the lights, LEDs. We're gonna initialize. BeastX is on and everything's running.
Normal mode, attitude mode.
Idle up mode. I'm gonna change the setup on this later, but this is on the old ESC. This is a beautiful helicopter. Very simple mechanics, 550. All right, landing. So after 6 minutes, we have 3.8 mostly on the 6L. Perfect, 6 minutes on a 1200 kV motor, 6S, 150 amp YEP ESC. It's not in governor mode. I'm gonna change this to be in governor mode. But right now I'm just running it on regular mode. And we have the 3 cyclic servos here from RotorStar. I don't think they make them anymore, but they're definitely clone. Some other manufacturer makes these. It's just not called RotorStar anymore. I'll list the mechanics and the details on this helicopter. in closing, this helicopter was not hard at all to build. The mechanics were simple. It fit right in. It sits right on these bolts that you see. This is a conversion kit. So it just sits on these bolts. Very simple. Sits on these. I just reinforced it a little bit, and I would recommend you doing it. Better yet, you could put some carbon fiber plate down here and then make a hole, and it'll make it very nice and stiff. They still sell these at JetTech RC or any Funkey distributor. Unfortunately, I have not seen it in the US. Heli Direct was selling some fuselages for a while, but then they stopped. I don't know why, but maybe they didn't have enough sales. But that would be unfortunate. I just think that scale fuselages are beautiful. And so another thing I did on this, just to let you know, on the tail, you have to make a hole here and bring the shaft out. It tells you in the instructions, but you know, just showing you how it would look like. If it comes straight through, there's not enough room for it to move. It needs to have free movement like this. Again, this is a torque tube drive, 550. The clone name is Gart. Gart still sells this. If you go and look it up on, I think some of the outlets, Gart helicopter 550. They still sell this. I talked about the mechanics, and really there's not much to it. The blade size is a 550 size. It's a little bit smaller than 600, but it still uses a 600 motor and ESC. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and happy flying.